That's it! What about pin the tail on the donkey?
We haven't got a donkey.
Well, pin the tail on the chicken.
We haven't got a tail.
Well, pin the sausage on the chicken.
We haven't got a chicken.
Pin the sausage on the fridge.
Or a pin.
Sellotape a sausage to the fridge.
We haven't got a sausage.
Put a bit of sellotape on the fridge.
Not much of a game, is it?
What do you mean? You have to do it blindfold?
Well, we haven't even got a blindfold.
Well, then we'll have to improvise, won't we, Eddie? OK.
All right. Give me a bit of sellotape and I shall put it on the fridge.
Here you are. Ooh, look out. It's the last bit. Better be careful.
Is that it, then?
Yeah.
Who won?
Eddie, it matters not who won or lost, but how you play the game.
Oh, you mean I won?
Oh, yes, I suppose so, yeah. I mean, if it's so important to you, yes. Yes, you did win. I mean, for heaven's sake, Eddie, it's only a game. VD. Why do I bloody lose everything, always?